Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to add or change your profile picture on Airbnb. Your Airbnb profile picture helps build trust with hosts or guests. A clear, friendly photo can improve your credibility and increase the chances of booking. First of all, launch open Airbnb app on your device, or you may also go visit airbnb.com on a web browser. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right or at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile, tap on your current name initial at the top and click on the edit button at the top right. Now, you will see a little add button right next to a camera icon at the top. Tap on it, and then you can go ahead and take a photo right away by choosing take a photo option and click in a picture of yourself from your camera. If you want to upload an existing photo, click on select from device and choose a photo you'd like to use for your Airbnb account. Once you find a profile picture to your liking, go ahead and adjust it within the frame, and once done, click on done at the top right. After you're done, click on use this photo, and then you'll need to submit the photo for verification. Your profile picture has been uploaded. Click on done at the bottom to save your change. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded or added a profile picture on Airbnb. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.